Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, what if I told you that you could have baklava for breakfast? Not like I already do in the morning with my cup of coffee, but I'm talking about a healthier version. Crisp layers of delicate phyllo dough, a crunchy walnut pistachio mixture nestled in a creamy, protein-packed Greek yogurt. The flavors of baklava are a match made in heaven, so let's get started. To start this heavenly yogurt parfait, you'll need a half a pound of phyllo dough. This can typically be found in the freezer section of your grocery store, wherever the frozen pie crust is kept. Allow it to defrost in its wrapping so it won't dry out, and just before you're about to use it, unwrap the phyllo dough and cut it into small squares. For all of you new here on my channel, I want to welcome you all. I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on them. Now, once the squares are all cut up, you're going to want to add this phyllo dough into a mixing bowl. Give it a nice drizzle with a half a cup of melted butter. And this dough doesn't have any sweetness to it whatsoever, so you'll want to add a spoonful of sugar to add a nice little touch of sweetness. Either with a spoon or with your hands, you want to mix all the layers around so they get a nice coating of that butter on them. However much of the phyllo dough is coated with the butter is how crispy it'll be after it all bakes up. Once it's all done, you want to add it to a baking sheet so it's all spread out in one even layer, and these are going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now don't forget, you'll need to flip them halfway through into the cooking time so that they'll be golden brown on both sides. These little phyllo clusters, you guys, are so incredibly crispy. They have layers upon layers of paper-thin crunch. You can bake these up to a week ahead and store them in an airtight container so you can enjoy this yogurt all week long. Now, once they're ready, it's time for the fun part, assembling these little guys up. You're going to go ahead and use your favorite plain yogurt, whether it be Greek or regular, and add it to a honey drizzled cup. You can either make this with layers of the topping or just add everything right on top. Now, once it has about a half a cup of yogurt in the serving cup, go ahead and add a few spoonfuls of those chunky phyllo clusters. Look at how deliciously golden brown these are. Try to resist not eating them on their own. I must have popped about 10 of these in my mouth while I was recording this video. Now, once they're nicely arranged, you're going to go ahead and add some smooth and slightly sweet pistachios that have been coarsely chopped, and of course the traditional walnuts, which have that earthy note, giving this its traditional baklava taste. These nuts add more bold crunch on top of that light crispiness from the phyllo clusters. You're going to finish this off with a couple dashes of cinnamon and another drizzle of honey on top. And look at that, you guys, they are finally ready to enjoy. I'm not gonna lie, I ate 2 of these after I was finished recording. They tasted exactly like a creamy style baklava. These are the absolute best to serve at any brunch party or a special event. Heck, I ate mine all week after dinner. These are just a little piece of grease brought straight into your kitchen. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.